Well, I cannot express just how exciting today has been and how informative it's been. We've had talks about different types of fireworks, we've had talks about safety, about pollutants in spent fireworks and what issues they pose in parts of America. And we can tell this room that we're in at the moment is actually in the Hôtel de Ville de Bordeaux, and we've had a really nice reception tonight with the Deputy Mayor, who's welcomed us all, this international community, to Bordeaux. We're just going to grab some food because tonight is the first night of the big displays that we're doing in Bordeaux. Of course, it wouldn't be right not to have any fireworks at a symposium like this. And so I'm going to get some food, and hopefully I'll join you later with the fireworks. Wow, here we are in the centre of Bordeaux for the first night of the fireworks. We've got 30,000 people here watching what's going on. I cannot wait. The atmosphere here is really electric. And the really nice thing is we are in the VIP area, so we're kind of in front of the crowd, but that's one of the privileges you get as being a pyrotechnician. This is quite something. This is one of the first shows we're getting here. Is how to finish a firework display.